Hello, my name is John Gray, and I'm the facilitator. I'm the facilitator on the Leadership in Action course in Brussels, 16th to the 18th of May 2018. And this very short video is a chance for me to say hello, to help you put a face to the name of the facilitator, and for me to say a few words about the overall scope of the course. And the starting point for me for this course is that the course is intended to build on the experience and expertise that you already bring in terms of leadership or leaderful behaviour within your context. No one is coming to the course as a novice to the area of trying to influence and engage other people. So we will look at some very specific aspects of leadership in these turbulent times, around strategy planning, around building effective teams, around encouraging and enabling diversity in organisations, for example. And we'll look at specific skills around collaboration through coaching, through listening skills, and through the effective transformation of conflict. And the golden thread running through the course is you and your individual leadership style. I've worked with many leaders over many hours in the development of their leadership practice, and I'm clear that I can help bring no golden recipe for how you yourself should be a leader. But the opportunity through the course will be for you to engage with a wide range of material from myself and from the other course participants, to reflect on what makes sense, what connects, and what builds on what you already know, and to give you a chance to further shape your leadership style for the future. So it will be my pleasure and privilege to be working with you over the 3 days of the course. I'm so much looking forward to getting to know you and to learning more about the leadership challenges that you are facing, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.